Today, we're going to bring a wireless car adapter. So if you purchase a car without the navigation system or any kind of application on your screen, this will convert your Droid into a familiar screen that you're familiar with your phone. You also get it on your car display. Now, in order to get this going, you got to make sure that it qualifies. Certain cars don't have the accessibility of a USB to transfer or to show any media. So we're going to take a look at this and see how it works. So what you do when you get it out of the box, they give you a little handheld little bag, included with two types of cables. All right, they give you a Type C to Type C because a lot of new models of new vehicles have Type C to Type C. They give you the older version, Type C to Type A, of course, because the actual module itself is Type C. So if you guys can see, it fits in the palm of my hand, very small, petite. You could keep this in your glove compartment or wherever you have that USB hidden, all right? So once you set this up, you plug it in to your car, your vehicle, you gotta actually reconnect through your phone via Bluetooth, all right? It's not a wireless device, it's Bluetooth device, right? Which is wireless, but it's a Bluetooth setting. So on there, you're able to transmit the actual maps, music, Spotify, Google Play, pretty much everything you have on an iPhone or your Droid, you will be able to transmit through that system. All right. So this is very simple. You don't need any power. Once you set it up, it's ready to go. If you've given up your actual only USB, of course, they give you a spare one right behind it. So it's very simple. You plug it into any device and it will convert your device into an M player. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.